Bad breath, or halitosis, can be both embarrassing and preventable. Here are 10 reasons and solutions. 1. Poor oral hygiene. Regular brushing and flossing can prevent odor. 2. Dry mouth. Stay hydrated and chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva. 3. Tobacco products. Quitting smoking can improve breath and overall health. 4. Certain foods. Brush or rinse after consuming odorous foods like garlic. 5. Dental issues. Regular dental checkups can catch problems early. 6. Crash diets. Eating a balanced diet can prevent ketosis-related odor. 7. Medications. Some drugs cause dry mouth. Consult your doctor for alternatives. 8. Infections. Treating throat or sinus infections can resolve bad breath. 9. Chronic conditions. Conditions like diabetes can cause distinct breath odor. 10. Alcohol consumption. Limiting alcohol and using alcohol-free mouthwash can help. Remember, maintaining good oral health is key. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and solutions.